Welcome back. Math's easy, step by step. In this part 110 video, gonna go over sample word problem question number 5. And it may look the same as the others, but it is not. A little bit different. Let's get right on into it. Thank you for joining me. A glass jar has 5 blue coins, 4 red coins, 3 green coins, 2 purple coins. What fraction of coins is red and green? All right, so we have options A, 3/4, B, 1/2, C, 2/4, D, 7/14. Right, so we're looking for a combination of red and green coins. What fraction, A, B, C, and D, is a combination of red and green coins? Now, take a look at A, B, C, and D. Take a look at these fractions. Do you see anything that's wrong with any of those options, A, B, C, and D? All right, so this is another test-taking strategy. You can eliminate options C and D. They are not reduced, right? So option C, 2/4, even number on top, even number on bottom. I can reduce that fraction, right? And the reduced fraction is already an option A, B, C, or D, right? Option D, 7/14, not reduced, right? If I reduce the fraction 7/14, it's also another option A, B, C, and D. All right, so for option C, I can divide 2 into top and bottom. I get 1/2. For option D, 7/14, I can divide 7 into top and bottom. I get 1/2. Eliminate option D, eliminate option C. Now you have a 50-50 chance of guessing this answer correctly by just choosing A or B, even if you didn't have a clue how to answer this test question. Okay, so again, let's try to visualize our fractions, right? So a fraction is part over the whole, or the total, right? You put the parts on top, you put the whole possible value on the bottom, and you've created your fraction. Okay, so again, the parts are all the different color option coins that we have. In this particular question, it's asking you what fraction would represent both the red coins and the green coins, right? So you're going to add them, but you can't add them till you know for certain the denominator is the same. So the top part of our fraction is going to be 4 and 3. The bottom, or the whole part of our fraction, is going to be 14. So 4 over 14 plus 3 over 14 equals... You said 7/14. You're absolutely correct. We got 4 red coins over 14, all total possible coins, plus 3 green coins out of a total of 14 possible coins. The denominators are the same. It stays the same throughout the end, up through the problem into the answer, right? What's 4 plus 3? It's 7. 7/14. And some of you are saying, whoa, wait a minute. Option D, that was 7/14. But what do I always ask you? What am I going to ask you now? What is it? You always have to do what? You always have to reduce or simplify your fraction, right? So can you reduce 7/14? Is there a number I can divide evenly into the top and the bottom? I think I already showed you in my test-taking strategy. Yep, right on the money. You said 7. You're absolutely right. 7 can be divided evenly in the top and bottom. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Why? Because 7 times 1 equals 7. 14 can be divided by 7 evenly. Why? Because 7 times 2 is 14. So 14 divided by 7 is 2. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1/2 is my answer. Answer is B, 1/2. You must always reduce your fractional value. So what does this mean? So 1 out of every 2 coins will be either green or red. I'm going to say that again. 1 out of every 2 possible coins will be either green or red. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. And I want to say one more thing before I go. 1/2 is also equal to 50%. 0.50, which is 50%. So 50% of the time, you're going to get either a green or red coin. All right, math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you again for joining me. I appreciate your time. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe.